Hi friends, my name is Sagar and welcome once again to Clash with Killer. And today we're gonna see how you can make a calculator in Turbo C++, of course. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin. So first, I'll just open a new file and let's start coding. Hash include stdio.h. And if you don't know how to code, I've posted a video earlier for the for the newcomers in programming, so be sure to watch that too if you want to learn how to program. Okay, sorry for so much disturbance in the video. Now curly bracket, enter, tab, and now I'll write. Okay, oh no, sorry. First I have to give the integer int num1, num2, and total. Okay, after that just write clrscr, clear screen, and after that let's start. printf, printf. And num2, sorry, just close the bracket and write printf enter no2, close the brackets, and scanf. After that percentage d, and yes, if you want your output to be in decimal form you can give percentage f. Okay, I'm just using simple integer, that's why I'm giving d. Okay, and just comma and then this and num1. Okay, close the bracket. Now total equals to num1 plus num2. After that printf d. Oh sorry, what happened? Oh nothing. What is this? No, sorry for the disturbance. Let me just open. Okay, so the value, okay, the value of percentage d, and percentage d is percentage d. Okay, so now what should you do is just give a, oh sorry, just close comma and then write, okay, num1 comma num2 comma total, and after that just close the bracket, semicolon, enter and write get. Just enter, go back. After that, just give the just close the curly bracket and let's run the program. See, it says enter number 1, let's say 2, enter number 2, the value is 4. Let me just do a little more. Let me just give equal so that you will not be confused. Okay. Okay, so now see. See. Enter number 1, let's say 45. Okay, enter number 2, 55 equals to 100. And yes, not only plus, you can do multiplication, division, subtraction, everything. Just delete this plus and add minus. And now let's see, what is this? Oh, sorry, here's been a little mistake. Oh no, let's see, 12 plus F9. Now number 1, 43 minus 23 equals to minus 20. Yes, because the minus 23 is, hey, you know your. So now let's do again, but this time let's do division. Now let's see. Two by 4. 3 by 2. 0, because you know it's an integer, that's why it can't show the decimal form, that's why it's showing 0. Okay, but if you want that, you can just do, you can delete this int and just write float. Okay, just write float and write here f. And now if you write 3 divided by 2, you'll get 2.6815300 whatever. Okay, so as you can see, so now let's see multiplication. $45 into 2 equals is minus 0. What is this? Oh, sorry. So thank you for watching my video, guys, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and till then, goodbye.